Boruto Manga Chapter 54 has introduced a very interesting handicap for the otherwise overpowered Momoshiki possessed Boruto, or a form which is simply known as Borushiki. So hello and welcome to Underwisey, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Boruto Manga Chapter 54. But before that, if you are new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content along with Boruto manga reviews. With that being said, let's begin the video, and of course a mandatory manga spoiler warning for all the anime viewers. Now, a protagonist being possessed by an evil power is not something new. This is a very common shonen trope, and this is also being used in quite a lot of modern shonen as well. For example, Asta from Black Clover as well as Itadori from Jujutsu Kaisen. And also back in the days of early Naruto also had a similar situation where Kurama was not basically a tsundere and he was an evil force of nature. So this is not exactly a new trope of shonen, and the Naruto series has already dealt with this kind of a stuff. But the way in which Boruto as a series is dealing with the threats of Momoshiki, I think this is a good step forward. Because honestly, I do not want to see a good relationship between Boruto and Momoshiki towards the end of the series. I really do not want them to become friends in the end, and this is mainly because of the parasitic relationship that Boruto and Momoshiki share currently, because Momoshiki is basically trying to regain his body, and in the process he is trying to take over the entire consciousness of Boruto. As such, I really do not want to see a positive relationship here. But at the same time, Boruto needs power in order for the show to move forward and to get past the shadows of Naruto as well as Sasuke. So the powers of Momoshiki are pretty important for the character of Boruto as a whole, but at the same time we really do not want to see a good healthy relationship between these two characters who probably hate each other more than anything else. Thus, I think Boruto Manga Chapter 54 has given us some good storytelling narrative here, because finally the Borushiki form has been given a major handicap in the series, and in a way I think this will lead to Boruto somewhat controlling the powers of Momoshiki in the future without basically becoming best friends or partners in crime with him. Of course, there's a possibility that Boruto will go rogue and maybe he will become the major villain of the series, but I still think that this is a very far-fetched idea and that is not actually going to become the reality in a shonen show. This is not Attack on Titan. Moreover, the circumstances which are at play here, I think that will lead to the improvement of Team 7 as a whole, because that will actually provide us with the character motivations for both Sarada as well as Mitsuki, and I'm going to explain that in a bit. But before that, let me talk about what exactly happened in Boruto Manga Chapter 54 in regards to the situation of Borushiki and why I think that this is a major handicap. So basically, Sasuke makes the prediction here that the form of Borushiki is being triggered because of the lack of chakra in Boruto. Sasuke goes on to say that this Borushiki form is being triggered as a result of Boruto's lack of chakra after he was damaged and left out of chakra from the prior battle against Ishiki Otsutsuki. And that was probably the moment Momoshiki was waiting for as well, because now in this weakened state, he was able to take control over Boruto's body and regain his own consciousness, and as a result the Borushiki form was born with the Otsutsuki horns and everything. Thus, Sasuke makes the prediction that if Boruto regains some of his chakra, he will be able to take back his consciousness and the Borushiki form will come to an end. And that is exactly what happens in this particular chapter, as we see that Kawaki uses a point-blank fire jutsu on the face of Borushiki, and as a result of it, Borushiki inevitably had to absorb that particular jutsu, and as a result, Boruto's chakra reserve improved a little bit and he was able to take back the control of his body and he broke the Otsutsuki horns. But before this point, throughout the entire chapter, we saw that Borushiki was simply dodging all the ninjutsu based attacks, even though he has the ability to simply absorb all the ninjutsu based attacks, something which we saw in the original Momoshiki fight. So I think personally this is a very good handicap, and this is a very logical handicap for the series to move forward, and possibly using this particular thing, Boruto will be able to exploit the powers of Momoshiki without losing control over himself. Now of course a lot more shenanigans will be involved here, and I think Sasuke will play an important role at this moment as well. A probable timeskip is coming very soon where Sasuke will leave the village along with Boruto to basically make him train and control his body as a whole. I'm going to talk about all of this in a separate video where I'm going to talk about Sasuke as a character and what's next for him now that he has seemingly lost his Rinnegan forever. So be sure to stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification so that you get to watch that video as soon as I upload it. But this was mainly what I wanted to talk about in regards to the Momoshiki situation of Boruto manga chapter 54. As a whole, I think that this is a very nice plot device and a very nice storyline which is going to play a pretty big role in the series moving forward. And honestly, I was not expecting this. I was really not expecting this to show up in the series. And as a result of it, I'm pretty happy that we are possibly not going to see a positive relationship between Boruto as well as Momoshiki, because they are totally different characters who possibly hate each other the most. So this is a good step in the writing direction. But then again, these were simply my thoughts. You are absolutely free to agree or disagree. Thus, I would like to hear your opinion on this particular matter as well. So what do you guys think about all of this? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more. This is WonderYZ, and I'll see you soon in the next video.